this video, we're going to show you how to use the map editor on Temi Center. Here, you can import a map from your robot, edit and configure your locations, paths, and virtual walls to increase Temi's navigation's capabilities. First, import the map you want to edit from a specific Temi, or select the map you want to edit out of your saved maps. Allow your map a few seconds to load until it appears on the screen. Below, you will find the Map Editor buttons. Add Virtual Wall allows you to block Temi from getting into specific areas. We recommend to add virtual walls near staircases, steep drops, or glass walls. To start, click Add Virtual Wall. Begin by marking a single point on the map where you would like the virtual wall to begin. Continue marking points until your virtual wall is created. When you're done, save by clicking the checkmark button. Add Location lets you save a location anywhere on the map. To add a location, simply click on the point on the map where you want your location to be saved. Then, input the location's name, the orientation of Temi, and the screen's tilt angle. When you're done, click Save. Add Path will enable you to guide Temi through a specific path for Temi to follow. Since Temi is always navigating autonomously, it will take the shortest route to a specific location. Setting a path will ensure a smoother navigation experience, since Temi will always aim to use the green path while navigating. To start, click Add Path. Begin by marking a single point on the map where you would like the path to begin. Continue marking points until you are satisfied with the new path. When you're done, save by clicking the checkmark button. At any time, you can click Help for more information. When you are finished editing your map, we recommend that you save your map, just in case the locations will be deleted or the map will be reset in the future. Click Save on the side menu, name your map, and then Save. Now you can click Send to Robot. Select the robot you wish to update and click Send. Your updated map will be sent to the chosen Temi. At any point, you can also change the view and scale of your map. Tap the View options and select which items you would like to show or hide in your map. Use the Scale buttons to zoom in and out of your map. For any questions on Temi Center, be sure to reach out to our support team on the Temi app or on robottemi.com/support.